What's up everybody, today I have a big surprise for you guys. This honker. So basically this is 600 grams worth of watermelon gummy. So let's just get right into the unboxing of it. So here we are at my desk and now we're just gonna open it with this. This is not a pen, this is actually a knife. But it's not a knife, it's a pen, but it's actually a knife. Because it's not a knife, but actually a pen. But the pin doesn't work, so I put a knife in there, so it's a knife pen. Get it? So let's just open this thing. And this thing is huge, by the way. It just barely fits on frame. So this was $12.99 at my local Gummy, which is a candy store in the Netherlands. So it's pretty expensive, but at the same time it's 600 grams gummy, so that's pretty amazing. So I also really like the box. It's pretty nice, actually. Like with this sweet looking watermelon and this pattern right here, it looks pretty good. And here it is. Oh my god, it's huge. And here we are. This thing is huge. Holy. This thing is giant. This is my hand. It's bigger than my hand. And it smells like watermelon as well. It smells really nice. I can also show you guys compared to my face. It's literally the size of my face. It's giant. It's huge.
That's what she said.
And this is 100% gummy. Ow. So, I think, yeah, it really smells like watermelon. Like, it's insanely strong. So, I think the next logical thing to do is just take a bite of it. Because that's what you do with candy. So, how am I gonna approach this? Because this is kind of big. You know, I'm gonna go for it. I'm just gonna go for it. It's so hard to chew. It's so big. Kinda tastes like a watermelon. It smells more like a watermelon than it tastes like a watermelon. But it's still good, it's like really good. So let's just look at the packaging because yeah, it's 300 kilocalories in just 100 grams. Which is apparently just one serving. And yeah, it isn't really the healthiest thing to eat, obviously, because gummy, but still. So I think I'm gonna snack on this for a while because this thing is gonna take a long time to eat all of it. So I guess I'm just gonna leave it here. So anyways, like, subscribe and comment what you thought of this video. Bye bye.